Hi everyone, this is Deanna Parrish and I'm going to show you how to add a banner to your website. This is going to be a movable banner that scrolls across the top of your website. I hope that you find it easy to understand and enjoyable to watch. Thank you. Hey everybody, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is open up Notepad, and in Notepad you can play around with HTML code. It'll allow you to add things and adjust it as you need, and you'll be able to save it later on. I'll show you that in the video, how to save it, and then you can see your end product in Notepad before you actually go and put it on your website or your web design page, so that you'll have a little idea of what you're doing before you get to that point. And then all you'll have to do is cut and paste. Let's hope I know what I'm doing. We're going to start with basic coding. It's really straightforward, simple, very elementary. Believe me, if I can do this, anybody can do this. It's not technical at all. So the first thing we're going to do is start with our HTML at the top of the page with open and close brackets. You have to have a head with open and close brackets, and then a title. I put banner page for my title, but this is where you get creative and put whatever you want. If you're just practicing, you can use something simple. If you're ready to put it on your web design page, then, make it whatever you want. Then you're going to have to close it. Don't forget to put to close it, and then go close your head and into your body. We made it through that part. So now we're ready to add our marquee. We're going to use open and close brackets with the word marquee in between. And then on the next line, that's where you will add the title for your banner. I put World's Best Banner Tutorial because we all know this is the best tutorial you've heard all night. Haha. So then after that, you need to close the marquee in the brackets so that your code is ready. This is where working in Notepad has come in very handy for me, because now you can save what you've done in Notepad and basically see if it worked. When you go to save it, you need to make sure that you save it with .html after whatever file name you've used. So I put everything on a thumb drive because I do not like to clog up my computer with stuff. So I've gone in and found my D drive. I've named my file banner, but again, you name it whatever you want to name it. Just make sure you'll be able to find it, and then after your name, put .html. Okay, we've saved our banner, and here it is. You can see the file, and if you look at the top, it says the D drive and HTML. So just make sure that you've saved it so that it's an HTML and that it will work properly for you. And we're going to click on that banner link and go from there. And here it is. It will scroll across your screen saying whatever banner you put up there. Mine says World's Best Banner Tutorial. It looks good. And here is also where you can decide whether or not you want to add color to it, change the font size. All that can be done with additional code. Every time somebody says I need to do something with HTML code, I always feel like my code is broken. Okay guys, thank you all so much for listening. This was a fast, easy way to code a banner to go across the top of your website. I hope that it was useful. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good night.